you clutch up the machine with you, I know you run. Now you sit down on the machine and hold on.
You want me dead now?
Whoa. Queen Candy. People, you don't know the thing said. Boom. Viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. Not far from King Mix Up, it's not credible, but I keep on telling you that you don't know the things that people bless upon yourself, but you know my style already one bag of one and one. And I have to continue giving these daily updates, and trust me people, it's an interesting one. First and foremost, Koffee sells 200,000 units in the first week, but the album was a big flop when we compare the sales to Shenseea and Spice. Also, Cranium is calling out the dancehall groupies them. You feel me? And we're not talking about the girls, you feel what I'm saying? And Chronixx, I don't know what do that dread boy, you know, but him look like him a look a hype off a white. True, him never get no Grammy. You see me, I say? And he's defending white people. And this is not Jamaicans in my opinion. You know what I mean? And Spice exposed Shenseea. Again, you know, I'm not gonna lie to you, no, again. And the people them want to know is Shenseea copying Rubie Rose. And I'm saying, but people, before we get into all of that, please just hit the like button and share from now. We truly appreciate it. We are trying to reach bigger audience. And we need your help in doing so, you know. Bless. Okay, people, the moment you've been waiting for. The first week sales are in. For Koffee, selling almost 200,000 units. Her album debuted in the United States, released March 21st. You know, she signed to RCA and all of these things, you know. Boy, I mean, not lie, it's a good look for Koffee, you see me, I say. You don't know the thing, set me there on Billboard sales tracker. And them say 700 copies were sold during the first week. You know what I mean? As well as 99,000 add in the digital song sales. Bombarascra. But this is what I look for. A 700 in pure album sales, you know. 700 copies in digital song sales. People, what's digital song sales? You know, is that like people streaming on YouTube and all of these things? 3 million in on-demand audio streams and 500,000 in an on-demand video stream. These figures are all rounded to the nearest 100, you know. So it's a good look for Koffee, you know. Big up yourself, Koffee. You see me, I say? Boy. Put some people to shame and not call the name. No, F that. Let's call some blood not name. You see me, I say? People, Koffee flop, me not lie to you. Shenseea sell more in pure album sales. But then again, I don't know if I because dressmaker boy, big belly boy, bought a holy for himself, you know. But people, it look like Spice outsell all of them, you know, because Koffee and Shenseea signed to major record label and them I get whole heap of blood knot promotion from these big peoples, you know what I mean? You see me, I say? But anyway, people, I'm just getting an update on that from what I go on, you see me? Now, dancehall artist Cranium is chiming in on this Grammy thing and pay people are ball and everything, you know. So he made a tweet saying most dancehall artists are groupies for another genre than them own circle. Them won't even be a special guest for them own or attend them own people events. One bag of girl them but complain about things that they didn't share, post, comment and share on, but talk when shit hits the fan, you know. The ones that know the truth will be offended, but the real ones that know it's true will understand. I've been saying this the other day. You don't see no dancehall artists that comment on none of the local vlogger them page, you know. You know what I mean? I just recently, we just start see them entertain local vloggers, you know, but them all over the foreign flags them, you know. All of them dirty fanatics on them comment section, I say, oh, me mix up. But if you follow who them I follow, a bare mix up site them I follow, you know. And them all under the mix up sites them in Jamaica, you know. You know what I mean? I know when shit hit the fan, I don't want to blame vloggers. So I don't go suck on no bumbo. You see me? Big head blood, not Chronixx. Imposter blood clot Rasta. I know some I never like you when me hear you and you interview them, you know. You have some powerful music still. I can't take that from you. You're very talented, but when it comes to the reasoning capabilities, you're all over the place. I mean, notice that them younger generation Rasta, not really conscious or we think them is, you know. Them go on like say them smart and all of these things, you know, seeing. I don't even know where to start with this character, because we see him come out in defense of Soja winning. And I diss up black people, I share them, whoever them want style the thing. Me see it as a disrespect, you know, seeing. You know what I mean? Them ya Rasta, yeah. Them not coming like Peter Tosh and Bob Marley, because first we see them a push back the business, you know, the business, you know. You know what I mean? Them that they are co-sign blood clot, Lila, IKEA, Kala, Empress and Warrior and all of these things. And she a push Punani business, you know. You know what I mean? How the earth supposed to replenish and reproduce and yeah, push them things there, you know. And next time I notice with them Rasta, yeah, them very quiet and poor people situations, you know. You know what I mean? It's like them Rasta not going out the ghetto no more. And I hear the people them are bad. Them live uptown with them light-skinned girlfriends and all of these things. And go on like say them not know the things they're supposed to talk up. Rasta have big platform now, and all of them silent no blood clot. When the silent, I'm not talk about Buju and the other Rasta them who don't have no name. I talk about them big head boy like Chronixx and Protege. They have big platform. And they not about no fire, only when it suits on. But no politician can get no dubs from me. You might as well give politician dub, because you know I push back the business in a Rasta business, you know. Chronixx who blood clot call them all people cannibals, alkaline and blood not. Vibes cartel them want to work with, because them are cannibals. But them quick for work with Rick Ross. Tell you about them blood not that imposter Rasta, you know. I know we say Soja them a get burned with blare fire and them a come out and defend the blood not thing. You know what I mean? Before me get into what Chronixx have to say, remember this was the same individual who used Vibes Cartel image to diss the Grammys. Let's take a look. Who know Rasta or dreads, and I can't put in the comment section. Because I know about Rasta more than I know a rascal. You see me I say? Don't nobody coming up preaching blood now business. You know, this was the same dread that dissed the Grammys after him lose one year, yeah. I don't know who him lose to J Books or Damian Marley. One of them, or probably the two of them, you know. And immediately after he lost that ish, he said, when my friend them realized the recording Grammy people them doesn't televise reggae category for the Grammys, you know. They did say the revolution will not be televised. The revolution will be televised, but not our own, because the first year that they televised the reggae awards, then pick some white people, you know. And this is not about spice. You see me, I say? But I hope this punk dread boy ain't throwing no shots at me, because I do a review on my Boom Bye Bye TV channel. And I said this is not about spice, it's more about people like Chronixx. You know what I mean? Jesse Ryle and all of them things. I know the reason why I mention you is because I think it out burn the fire up on blood now at the Grammys, you know. Big up Soja them, because we done explain, say, them man they grow up listening to reggae. So I know them we are fight at the system. And I mean the system that Chronixx is afraid to burn out. You know what I mean? If you have a burn system, you have to burn white people and them blood now system. You know what I mean? The little white people them know what I go on. I know them we are born the system, you know. But anyway, listen to that junk right here. Because it look like say my big Grammy for blood not award a rascal. You see me I say? Can't stand them people, I know people. But anyway, this is what the booger man that after Ras now say, you know? Yeah, let's take a look at this now. So he says Soja been one of the best bands in America for years. Overall, one of the top reggae bands in the world for years. So you don't have to be a fan to show respect. Don't mention me on some post. I suck your blood clot self, batty boy. Trying to discredit Hanro people, because I never discredit them a bomber. I fire me a bun upon the blood now system, you see? Oh doing what they love. Them man have been blessing us and sharing their platform with us for years, consistently bringing enough away on road before we got the opportunities open for any of the native Jamaican music legends. What wrong with some man? Suck your blood clot self. Yeah, I mean, yes, big up Jacob Miller all the rascal time, you know. But me not say you're not tag no blood clot black people. I could be wrong, but I be white people me say it tag. You know what I mean? Revolution music, who they win what year, yeah, Soja, Sticky Finger, Dirty, all of them people, the J Booms, you know. Big up the God, Ablo, whatever, you know, who forget it. 10,000 more awards. The God gentlemen of all global roots music matches, they can't stop the concert. Shut the fuck up. I ain't not blaze no fire for no black people, I rascal. Yeah, I sing universal music. I try to take the easy way out, you know. And then I blaze no fire like Bob Marley. That's why nobody now turn Rasta no more, because Rasta turn imposter. Yeah, I mean, all Rasta I run to turn Islam and Muslim and Bumper ass, because I don't know do nothing a Bumper. Hey, listen, me, you know what, let me stop talking about that dready and just move on, you know. Now, I seen your comments and I hear ya. Uno miss me doing reviews about Shenseea. We do some review what there, ya when I call Shenseea name and me see what I say. Uno did I listen off for Shenseea name, so don't worry yourself, people. This is a Shenseea segment, I mean not lie, it's not a good look, but I want to know if you remember I am just a messenger. I am just a messenger. Do not crucify me unless you won't get no more messages. You know what I mean? I may get a message what they from an undisclosed person saying that Shenseea copied Rubie to a T. Yes, I don't know if that's her name right now, but we will get that sort out, you know. And we're talking about the lick video she did for MTV, the exclusive lick video she did for MTV, as you see in the time. And that's Rubie's video at the bottom, you know. Boy, Shenseea is just out here being inspired by everybody else, including me, except for herself. You see me, I say? And it's not a good look, you know what I mean? Anyway, the sender wants to make it perfectly clear that Shenseea, in fact, did get inspired by Rubie's video, you know, because last year, Rubie did this exact same dance first and foremost, and you see Shenseea right there, liking the video. You see me, I say? And you know Shenseea don't like things if she not borrow it, you know what I mean? But no, but she don't like my scenting them and she borrow me things them too. Yeah, I mean, Big Meech and all of these things, you see me? But there you go, you see? Shenseea name right there, so you know what I mean? And she's saying, trying to get out my comfort zone and dance more. So Black taught me. This is my song. Whole lot of liquor. You know what I mean? So go stream me. Yeah, man, go stream the girl song. Man, I like the girl look good, you know. But anyway, these are the two videos in question. So let's take a look and see if the choreography is similar, exact, or whatnot, you know. Me nah lie, for the girl saying she coming out of her comfort zone, she look like a professional, you see me answering? Girl body a move, you know. Hey, Shenseea did that. Hey, she did the same Asian lick too, with the open legs business with the 2 teeth and tongue. And Megan Thee Stallion trapping out of it. Boy, them girl, you know, original, you know, people. And yes, the moves them look the same. Maybe not in the same order, but they are the same. And that's why Spice said, different category. We are not the same. We might wear the same clothes, but we are not the same. As you see, Spice look better in the same outfit Shenseea did wear before Spice, you know. But nah lie, Spice look like a real Dahlia Ross, you see me, I say. Spice look like a real Dahlia Ross, you know. Yeah, I mean. Me nah lie, Spice look like a real Dahlia Ross. People, me sorry for repeat myself, but Spice look beautiful and Shenseea just make the outfit look. Yeah. I mean, boy. People, that's not only it. You feel what I'm saying? Spice I throw more shades from Shenseea and showing her that them not in a different, them not in a the same league and category. See, oh, Shenseea did have diamond tiara on her head. You know what I mean? And it looked like, boy, Shenseea look like one of them Sparta warrior there, you know. And look how Spice have one diamond thing on her head. Look like, you know, a queen, you know what I mean? Boy. Anyway, people, no one longer that review you any longer. Tell me what you think in the comment section about Shenseea copying the girl Rubie. You know what I mean? And Spice throwing shades at Shenseea, matching, you know, wearing the similar clothes and all of this stuff. And most importantly, putting out a comment section about that sellout imposter Rasta. You know what I mean? Flapix. You see me? I say, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. To be notified about the latest in dancehall news, Scorpios. Bless.